everyone, this is Samir from SF Shorts. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the fields keyword which is used in SOQL. First up, let's talk about the different option that the fields keyword supports. We have standard. This option fetches all the standard fields of an object. Think of it as your go-to for all the built-in fields. Next comes custom. This one grabs all the custom fields, perfect for when you want to focus on the fields that you have tailored to your needs. And finally, all. And if you want everything, then this is your choice. It fetches both the standard and the custom fields. It's like the buffet of the SOQL queries. Let's look at a quick demo of this keyword by running a few queries. I'm running it in the terminal in VS Code, but you could try it anywhere, either in Workbench or in Developer Console. I'm running this query with the all option, and it prints out every single field on that object. I'm printing it in JSON so that it's a little easier to read. As you can see, it prints out every field that is available on the contact object. However, what if you wanted to get all the custom fields only and just the ID of the record? You could do that as well by just adding the ID field to the query. As you can see, we have now just got the custom fields along with the ID. The same logic can be applied to get the data from the parent object. You can also use the fields keyword in subqueries. Move on to important considerations. Using the fields all can impact performance, especially with large objects, so use it wisely. Be cautious, fields can't be used in aggregate queries. Trying to do so will throw an error faster than you can say SOQL. When dealing with large datasets, consider the implication on processing time and the system limits. However, there are ways to deal with it. In case of Apex, you can use the offset and limit option. In case of bulk API v2, you can use the SForce locator response header option. In case of REST API, there's the next records URL attribute, which you can use to query the next set of records. You can use this in case of SOAP API, you can use the query more method. If there are no custom fields and you use fields with the custom option, you will get an error. It's like ordering a custom pizza with no toppings. Lastly, let's look at the limitations. When the fields keyword with the all option is used, the query is called as bounded queries, whereas when we use it with custom or the standard option, it's called as unbounded queries. With that in mind, let's look at some of the limitations. In case of Apex, both inline and dynamic queries, you can only use the standard keyword. You cannot use the custom and the all keyword. The same applies for bulk API v2. Whereas in case of CLI and SOAP API or REST API, you can use the standard keyword. However, there are limitations to using the custom and all keyword. When using the custom and all keyword, you would have to use it with the limit option, and the maximum limit that you can query at one shot is 200.